Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create poll on Facebook post. So by default here is no option to create a poll on Facebook personal account or personal profile. So as you can see, here is no option. So open a browser and open a new tab and type pollmaker.com, and once you're here, type your poll question and click on theme, and you can change poll theme. Click on settings and you can change settings from here. Add here your poll options and click on create poll and click on copy link and go to your Facebook profile, and all you have to need just paste the copied link here, and you can add a caption here. Click on post so here you can see I've successfully created a poll for my Facebook post. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.